Hello everybody, how are you doing? Making this a quick video of exceeding your dreams and leveling up to the next chapter. I am here at West Point and I'm going to pan around to see this beautiful landscape. So we are celebrating one of our friends' major milestone and following their dreams in support of their family and friends. And I just wanted to take a moment and give you my daily video to follow your dreams, follow your heart, and never give up. And coming to you from the castle of West Point, as the train goes by, as you can hear it, believe in yourself and know if you need an accountability coach to help you walk beside you as you pursue your dreams, connect with me, Andrea Mason, your global voice and your personal accountability coach, bridging the gap from where you are to where you deserve to be. Let's get to the next level. Congratulations to our friend and congratulations to you for being here and making sure that you believe in you and make the power and dreams come true. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Be well. Signing off.